Hello, fragrance specialists. My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another one of our essential oil breakdowns. In the next few videos here, we're going to be breaking down all of the frankincenses, which is arguably one of the most common essential oils you'll run into. It's in a ton of kits. It's almost synonymous with aromatherapy in a lot of ways, so it's pretty cool. So we're going to start out with looking at Frankincense Carterii. At least that's how I've always pronounced it. I don't know for sure. I think phonetically that's how it's sounded out, but I'm not too sure. So that's how I'm going to stick to it. If I'm wrong, correct me down beneath, but I think that's how it is. Carterii, maybe? Carterii? I don't know. In any case, before we dive in too far to the profile, just always consult your doctor before use. Some people are at risk and they don't even know it, so yeah, for the most part though, frankincense is relatively safe to use. It's in a ton of aroma-based stuff already, things like perfumes, colognes, shampoos even. I've seen it in just about everything, so. In any case, let's dive into the profile. It is described as having a balsamic, warm, slightly spicy, sweet, and woody aroma. Under common uses, you'll see anxiety, asthma, bronchitis, extreme coughing, scars, stress, and stretch marks. Under method of extraction, you'll see that it is steam distilled, and it blends well with black cumin, cedarwood, lavender, lemon, rose, sandalwood, ylang. And under notes, can be a skin irritant if oxidized. Outside of that, I haven't really been able to find anything that indicates it's particularly dangerous to really anyone. However, once again, always consult the doctor, super important. In any case, let's move on to its history. Frankincense has been traded on the Arabian Peninsula for more than 6,000 years. Its use was characteristic in religious rites throughout Mesopotamia and the Eastern Mediterranean from the earliest antiquity. Long story short, been used in a lot of stuff for a long time. Frankincense is used in perfumery and aromatherapy. It's also an ingredient that is sometimes used in skincare. The essential oil is obtained by steam distillation of the dry resin. Some of the smells of the frankincense smoke are products of pyrosis. Frankincense is very commonly used in incense, cones, and sticks. Very cool stuff. Long story short, it's used in a variety of ways, from perfumery to skincare to incense. Ultimately, just a very commonly used aroma in general. I also find it has kind of a churchy smell to it, and most people who deal with it say the same thing, which is pretty cool. In any case, let's move on to a quick little recipe. This one is about meditation assistance. It is 4 drops of Frankincense Carterii Essential Oil, 3 drops of Sandalwood Essential Oil, 2 drops of Cedarwood Essential Oil, and 2 tablespoons of Fractionated Coconut Oil. Man, I'm having a hard time talking today. I am sorry, guys. And in terms of directions, mix all the ingredients together in a glass container. A roll-on bottle is preferable. Apply topically or inhale the scent to assist in grounding the mind and body during meditation. Super cool stuff, really short and easy to follow recipe. That being said, if you'd like to add frankincense to your collection, please do check out Rocky Mountain Oils. Links down beneath in the description. They're a super great company to work alongside and order from. In any case, if you have any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns about Frankincense Carterii, please put them down beneath in the comment section, and be sure to drop any recipes you have as well. That being said, I hope you have a great day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.